Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to transfer money using the UniCredit mobile app. First, open the UniCredit app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in with your username and password or with your fingerprint if you have set that up. After you log in, you will see the main screen. Look for the menu at the bottom of the screen and tap the option that says Transfers. This will take you to the transfer section of the app. If you want to send money to someone for the first time, you need to add the recipient. Now go back to the transfer section and choose the recipient you want to send money to. Enter the amount you want to send, choose the currency if needed, and add a reference or title for your transfer. Always check that all information is correct before you proceed. When you are ready, tap the button to continue. You may be asked to confirm the transfer with a PIN, fingerprint, or other security method. After confirmation, the transfer will be sent. You should see a confirmation message on the screen. If you are sending money to your own accounts, you can select the option between My Accounts and follow the same steps without adding a new recipient. Thanks for watching.